back, my peeps. Hope y'all been doing good and staying safe and healthy. Excuse my voice. I think I'm getting like a little cold or something. I don't know what's going on, but there's something there. Anyways, I just wanted to come on real quick. This is going to take not long at all. And we're going to make us some Dollar Tree Valentine candy and lollipops. What you going to need is some of these, they call them table scatter, is these plastic hearts. They come in pink, they come in red, and they also have some that has lips in it, right? And you also gonna need, if you want, some of these hearts, pink and red, okay? So, oh, you're gonna need some lollipop sticks. You're going to need some of this cello wrap, or this is actually what they use to, when they make caramel candy, is the wrappers. I bought this on Amazon. If you want to buy some from Amazon, I'll leave the link down below. And I have to tell you that a lot of this paper comes in one pack. But if you buy one pack, you'll have it forever. And you can make candy for all occasions, you know, for all the holidays or for whatever. But if not, you could just buy you some of the clear cello from Dollar Tree, you know, the cellophane paper. Get you some of that from Dollar Tree and just cut it up in pieces. I cut this paper, I think this is, might be 6 by 6. I'm not sure. But I cut it in half, and then I cut those halves in half, so I have 4 pieces, right? Because that's about the size you're going to need to wrap. Look how cute these came out. Little lollipops, right? These are the lips. I wasn't too crazy about the lips, but, and then I took these and I did it like that. Oh. And guys, I made those bows. If anybody that's been watching me for a while, know how much I hate making bows. But I actually made these. I'm proud of myself. I made some bows for another project too. But anyways, and then I took some candy and wrapped it individually so it looks like little candies. Got some red ones too. Ugh, I'm doing terrible here. So we're gonna make us some candy, some Dollar Tree candy. All right. So you just, this is so easy, so easy. So you're gonna take, now these sticks are the small ones. These, I actually got these free in a pack. It doesn't even say the size, but I believe these are the 4-inch size stick, the smallest stick you can find, which is a 4-inch. Right? Take out a couple. And you're going to get your cello wrap. Keep that close by. You're going to get you a heart. And these lie flat a certain way. They lie flat. So make sure you get it on the right side. Like, I don't really think it matters. But, so I put the glue on the stick. And then I stick the stick on the candy, and I let that cool for a minute, and then I'll make a pink one. Get the stick, put the glue on it, take your heart, put the stick on it, push it down, make sure you push it down good, and let that dry for a minute. Oh, look at this. Looks like I'm a magician with these, with the glue webs. I even did a lip one. I wasn't too crazy about the lips, but let's go for it. Since we making Dollar Tree candy, we can make a lot of these. I mean, you don't even have to use it as a lollipop. You can stick it into your treats and stuff. Ooh, look at this. I'm a magician. Try to get all this. So, right? See them on the stick? Then you're going to take your cello paper, the one I cut into a tiny square. And you're gonna take it and fold it, not in half, corner to, I can't explain it. Not corner to corner, but like this. Okay? Then you're just gonna take it, fold it down. Take this side, fold it down. That one didn't want to fold down. And then you just twist. Twist your lollipop. Like any lollipop. You just twist it. And there go your lollipop. Do it one more time. You're going to take your wrapper and you're going to fold it like this. Not in half, because it will not fit. You got to fold it in opposite corners, okay? Take your lollipop, put it in the middle. Make sure your corners are even. Right? And then you're just going to take your corners down, fold it to the back, take it down, fold it to the back, and then you're just going to twist it. You're just going to twist. And you got your lollipop. So you do that with, you do that with the lips. You do that with as many hearts as you want. Let's see, the lips are a little weird because they're a little bit odd shaped. But you can still do it. Just make sure them corners match up. And then you just twist your wrapper. And there you go. So you get a handful of lollipops, right? And then to take your candy, to make it like just a regular candy, this you do fold it in half. We've done plenty of candies around here. Fold it in half. Make sure your heart is in the middle. And then you just twist. Twist the ends. Can't get easier than that. You just twist the ends. And look, you got yourself a candy. So easy. It's just, I think that'll be the easiest thing I'll teach this for Valentine's. So I'll make another one. So you just fold it in half. Get these webs out of here. And then you fold the other part in half. And then once you have it in there, make sure your heart is in the middle. It could get a little slippery in there, but just twist it. Take the other end, twist it. You got candy. Cute little candy. Wish I had a little dish, but I don't. Hold on, let me see. This is too deep, but put the candy on the dish so y'all can see how cute it looks. Is that all the candy I have? But I mean more than that. Oh, here go one right here. And then you got your lollipops. Your cute little lollipops. More lollipops. Right? Then with these, I find that you gotta start the hole at the bottom, because if you try to push the stick through, you're just gonna bend it all up. So what I did was you could take anything, a pencil, a pen, start the hole at the bottom, right? Stick your straw, I was gonna say, your stick in there. You need to put a little bit of glue, just a tiny bit. How come? Oh, say just a tiny bit, and then I go get all crazy and let that dry. See that? You could wrap it in cello if you want, but I was just trying to show you a different version. Like, you don't have to put it in cello. Maybe you want to put it in one of your fake bakes or whatever. Put some glue. Stick it in there. Let that, oh man, set for a minute. Then I'm just gonna put a bow. I only made one bow, but you know, you guys know what to do. Take your little bow, glue it on there, and there you have it. Like I said, if you want to wrap it in cello, you can. I didn't, let me see. I didn't do that. Let's see. Because the paper didn't really reach, like I didn't get the right side. I don't have the right side. You gotta cut this certain size because this heart is much bigger than this heart. Okay? So, you know, just cut it up and you can wrap those up too. Anyway, guys, so we got some candy. Some cute little candies we made. And lollipops. Oops. Let's make these lollipops. Let's get them to look cute. And that's it, guys. So, until the next video, stay safe, stay healthy, keep crafting. Talk to y'all later. Goodbye. God bless.